Today is day 44 of learning Chopin's Ballad number 1 in G minor. I'm still working on the same part, but I did figure out some better fingering for sections 44 to 48, which is good, and it sounds a lot smoother now in that part. I think I sped everything up a bit more than I did yesterday and the day before. Still want to get this up to speed, still want to smooth everything out by day 50 because I do want to play it all the way from the beginning to the end of what I play today. And I might be able to play on the acoustic piano that day, on day 50, so that's also a plus. If you guys have any tips about playing Chopin's Ballad number 1, you can either DM me or leave it in the comments. I would really appreciate it. There's already been some people who have helped me out, and I'm really grateful to you all. But thank you for all the support you guys have given me. The only reason I've gone this far is because of you guys and the accountability you've held me with. Thank you.